Welcome to the Culinary Insider Minute for Friday, October 5th, 2018. I'm Ryan Parker. Stay away from the ground beef, people. The CDC has issued a food safety alert concerning 6.5 million pounds of ground beef. There has been a link to E. coli and salmonella concerns. This recall is a reaction after ground beef has been connected to at least 57 illnesses in 16 states. In related news, Bloomberg is reporting that Chipotle is searching for a new head of food safety as James Marsden steps down. Chipotle's stock has been on the upswing this past year after a few food safety issues in 2015 and 2016, and well, you get the point. Based on her book, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, Samin Nosrat is coming to Netflix October 11th. Lastly, the final episodes of Parts Unknown air on CNN Sunday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern, so check those out. And we miss you, Tony. My question for you today is, what is your favorite Anthony Bourdain moment? Reply in the comments or record your own video response. Make sure to tag me in your video. That has been the Culinary Insider Minute. For full episodes, check out my YouTube channel every Monday. You can get there by hitting the link in the bio. Please make sure you like and subscribe.